Yes, guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of Tea with CTB. So, hi guys, so what's up, Rituraj, and what's up, Mohit?
Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? It's all going good. Mohit, how are
Hey
you? How are you?
man, back again.
Yeah, fourth episode, I guess. Fourth one.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
keep on
so
going.
yeah, and so today we have a really special guest among us, and I actually met him on an Instagram live, and I was really impressed by the way he speaks. मतलब उससे बात करने में बहुत मजा आता है, and I really loved him and I wanted him as a guest for this episode. So
Good one.
he's here. So hi, Vineet, and
Hi.
how do you feel coming into this episode?
Oh, it feels good. Like sharing views with you all and knowing what views you all have. So it is nice to be here, and yeah, looking forward to more opinions, views. कैसा चल रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? So वैसा.
Right, right. It's a pleasure having you on board with us for this episode. So, I think now again this stupid apna international break is again up,
Yeah.
and we're going to start with the games that we have played after the Crystal Palace ka match. So basically, the first game after Crystal Palace was against Southampton. So Southampton ka game mein, I guess we drew 3-3. So वो that was the first live where I met Vineet, and मतलब I guess उसमें भी everyone okay, everyone had like great expectations कि जीतेंगे अपन क्योंकि फॉर्म अच्छा चल रहा था तभी बहुत expectations था, and we were 3-2 up I guess. उसके बाद then last में वापस अपन ने गोल खाया and that was really bad again. फिर केपा का तो मतलब पता ही है, he played that game again, and then उसको I don't blame him, but there could have been save that which he could have made obviously, but ठीक है अभी 3-3 we got a point from it. Not that great result, but fine.
You can't
Moving on.
miss out the Zuma mistake also. That was a
Uh,
big mistake from him,
okay,
his
well,
side also, not
हाँ
just Kepa.
हाँ right, वो भी हो सकता है controversial, but ठीक है, got a point, that's fine. Moving on, then after that I guess we played our first Champions League game I guess
Yes.
against
Yeah.
Yes.
Sevilla. So Sevilla, so what are your thoughts on that, Rituraj?
So Sevilla, it's gonna be a well-drilled game. Tactically, they're very sound. They have shaken up many teams like Barcelona and Madrid also. So and they have won the Europa League. They are coming into the Champions League as with some good pedigree as the Europa League, and they have won it 3 or 4 times. So they are very good. You can just assume that it's gonna be easy when Sevilla in the group. So yeah, the first half, second half, it was a stalemate basically. But the way the defense started improving, those were some first signs after that 3-3 game. Like players had that the shock that they literally dropped points after scoring great goals. So as from a defensive point of view, it was a great game. Not 2 points lost, but a point gain from my side. Sevilla were also good, but the players like Suso, Ocampos were kept literally quiet by our defense. So that was very impressive for me. A good start to the Champions League campaign. And right now, as we are on the top of the group, and happy just to with that draw. So it was very good.
Yeah, that's actually true. The very true, Ruturaj. And after that, I guess we got another clean sheet against Man United,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
basically a game which we should have won
We
actually,
should
but
have won.
ठीक है.
We sh-
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So basically, it
So
was a
what are your
defensive
thoughts?
formation.
Maguire.
It was a defensive formation by Lampard. Three at the back. Okay. We United were dominating position as hell, but again, the match that United lost against Arsenal, it was a penalty, and the match that went out as a stalemate for us, there could have been a penalty where again VAR
True.
didn't check. Man, he just muscled him as Aspi down. I don't know why that wasn't checked. I don't know again what the issue is with VAR. Uh, it was pretty difficult for us to see that. Like it's a clear foul. I don't
Hmm.
understand the referee's consistency of checking the VAR calls. So that was really bad for us. Uh, uh, Speaking from the football point of view, United dominated possession. Of course, they had some good players attacking on the front line. We had just Pulisic and Werner up front from the pace side. Ziyech also came right as a sub in that match.
Yeah, he came in the end, right?
Yeah, so we saw some glimpses from him, some great passes, but again it was a stalemate. But the main talking point here was also Mendy. Okay, the
Mm.
three good saves, the one-on-one with Rashford, the final save where he the hell out. I don't know. That could have cost us the game if it went in. So again, a good point taken. I would say. United coming back after defeating PSG in Champions League at a group stage. So it's big. So they were coming in full of confidence, but they still haven't won at Old Trafford, and we are keeping it going. So yeah, it was a good week for us that time. The good weekend and also good midweek for me.
Yeah, that's great. मतलब good thoughts, Rituraj. I was
Yeah.
like really सही था. And so after United, I guess we had another Champions League game, right? हाँ, उसके बाद तो we played, I guess, Krasnodar.
Yeah.
Krasnodar.
You
Yeah.
travel.
So what are your thoughts on that, Mohit?
Yeah, it was a special game. Firstly, huge thanks to my man, Mr. Roman Abramovich, for attending that game. Hope he
Yeah.
liked us
It
play.
was great. It was
It's
great.
always good, right? To have
Yeah,
your
yeah.
owner watch it. And we had fans. Oh my God, it was so good to have, that
Yeah.
real fan noise. And
Right.
even though opposition fan, but it was so nice. इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. False fake fan noise है तो बहुत अच्छा है. That was good. And then for the game, he had a penalty. Jorginho, he doesn't miss penalties. And I mean, penalties का blame किसी को ऊपर नहीं डालना. Like, you don't blame someone for missing a penalty. It happens. So yeah, that happened. And then Callum Hudson-Odoi got you could say lucky. I mean, keeper should have saved it, but ठीक है. You need to try them, and it went in. And our performances at the start, first half till you could say the 70th minute was not good. As a fact, Krasnodar had more shots. They were dominating Krasnodar. So okay,
Yeah.
Krasnodar, with all due respect. And then Frank Lampard did something. He did something.
Oh,
That's
those
70th.
substitutions, dude.
He which at start I thought वो West Brom type कर रहा है, like किसी को भी like, but then we realized like it's two number 8. It's like Mount and Havertz, number 8, and Kante. In a 4-3-3, we switched to a 4-3-3. 4-2-3 were not working. 4-3-3, and all of a sudden we clicked. I don't know. After that, it just looked so good, and obviously we scored. Werner scored a penalty. Pulisic scored a good goal. Ziyech, Champions League.
Those 3 goals came quickly.
His first goal for Chelsea, very nice. And then, that change actually. I think that change is at the end of the season. We will remember that change.
I don't know if that's true. Abramovich invited everyone to dinner. I felt so great with that. I don't know if it's true, but it's good that everybody is gelling properly. Yeah, I'm just happy he's our owner.
Yeah, he's the best owner in the Premier League. No.
Right. And actually talking about penalties, Mother Jorginho's record is like exceptional, man. Mother 20 out of 26, he scored 23, and I guess that's something unreal. Mother, yes, he's missed against Liverpool, and again on the Krasnodar day he missed one more, but ठीक है चलता है. And now Warner's on penalties, and Jorginho has accepted it कि भाई हाँ तू अच्छा लेता है अभी फिलहाल, so you can take it. That's pretty great sportsmanship from our vice captain. So after Krasnodar game, we played against Burnley. So what do you think, Mohit?
Yeah, like I said, Lampard capped the 4-3-3. The same, the 2 number 8s. And I was so excited just for that one reason. He kept the two number 8s. And I know Burnley not having a best of Premier League seasons. They're usually a lot better than they are this season. But still, Burnley away is Burnley away. And breaking Burnley down is not easy. Last season, we did that thanks to Pulisic, like his dribbling. At home, it was we got a penalty, we got lucky. नहीं तो हम लोग नहीं break down करना था उनको. And then, but this game, we broke them down legit. Tammy with a good layover.
Ziyech masterclass.
We're gonna speak a lot about that guy. We're gonna speak a lot.
For later.
So, and then Ziyech, he was all over the place, like in a good way. Like he controlled the whole game. Hakim Ziyech, it was just. I that moment I felt wow. Uh, it was a good game, I could say that. Even the
Yeah.
second and third goals, Zuma with a header, right? Boom. So big.
Dude,
How
Zuma
many
has more
goals?
goals than Martial.
Yeah, and how many goals we scored from set pieces this season? It's like 4 to 5, like most. And where
Yeah.
was that? We
And
didn't see that last season, and we've conceded
last
only
year,
one.
exactly.
So big praise to my man Anthony Barry for coming
Oh,
in and
dude, the
helping us with
defensive
that.
man.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I was
Yeah.
that. I was
So
really good. The 2 games.
basically 3 points in the bag in that Burnley game. Exceptional 3 points. So after the Burnley game, we played Rennes at Stamford Bridge. And what are your thoughts on that, Vineet?
Yeah, Ren starting was a heart attack. I mean, like I wasn't believing that we were playing against, and I didn't have any idea as in how good Ren was. I don't watch French
Mhm.
league that often, so I didn't have any idea about how difficult Ren is. But they proved to be very very difficult at start. But but I saw from Ren and Sheffield United games that Frank Lampard is good tactically to adapt like over the game, and like minute by minute he has things in his mind and he implements it really very well. So for example, Ren, thank God that red card was too harsh, by the way.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Yeah,
mean, yeah, but but things go this way or that way, and we have had decisions against us before.
against us. Yeah.
So, like it was unfair, but you know what? We would have actually won that game after 25 or 30 minutes mark. So we would have won that game because they would have been on the front foot at the first, pressing high. They can't do for the whole game, but we have that quality to break them down in the midfield lines and everything.
Yeah.
So we would have won that game anyway. But the main thing from Ren I took was we need Thiago Silva every
True.
match. Yeah, like that match and Ben Chilwell. So Ben Chilwell and Thiago Silva. आगे कुछ भी करो मिडफील्ड में मतलब कुछ भी करो थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी लेके आओ बस लेकिन वो दोनों चाहिए ही चाहिए
True.
because when Rudiger and I think Emerson came on
Mhm.
and then like I told you on Insta Live, pura tandav
Right?
piche. Like people were fucking dancing, like they were doing cross balls and everything. But it's okay. Like after 70 minutes, when you come into the high intensity of the game, and then you're confused. So maybe. But itna bada player hai, to फिर you don't have that excuse, man. Like, so
True.
yeah,
Yeah. मतलब start में तो रेन before that red card बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा था. They had possession,
Yeah, exactly.
attackingly, pressing well. So red card was harsh, but after that red card मतलब खत्म ही हो गया. वो लोग तो मतलब कुछ कर ही नहीं पाए. We had the whole control पूरे match में.
Eventually, they had to
So
sit back.
moving,
Eventually,
yeah,
they
yeah,
had to sit
मतलब
back. They
10
had no
man
option other than that. And they missed their
exactly.
main man also, Kamavinga, who is also the young prodigy that is hyping up the entire footballing world. So yeah, he was even missing. So it was a good win for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
So moving on, then our last game was against Sheffield, which was an really good win. Okay, मतलब and when the first goal went in, okay, I thought मतलब यार ये क्या हो रहा है? जब भी मैं live कर रहा हूँ हार जा रहे हैं अपन. I was like
yeah,
shit,
yeah, yeah.
मतलब but then the result was good. So thoughts on that? We need that win.
Yeah, and so from that game, as Mohit mentioned about the two number eights, when I saw
Hmm.
that game, the two number eights actually moved like fucking forwards in the forward line.
Right.
Like you increase the width of the pitch with the fullbacks, and then these two, Kovacic and Mount, they have a full passing line, like full line, and they can actually travel
Hmm.
forward. And then Tammy is holding the center back in the middle, and then the like two other center backs they are engaged with ZH or someone on the wide line. So these two
Right.
have complete access on the forward. So it was a brilliant tactical thing by Lampard, I feel. And if he goes on implementing these tactics over the time, it will be very great. And it also highlighted the importance of the intelligence of the players. I mean,
Right.
like if Kante was marked at first by two players of Sheffield
Hmm.
United, so he was marked, and you need to know how to get out of that marking very quickly. which was not visible last season or before that. और ये भी जो low block को तोड़ने वाला जो scene है, we haven't done that in many
Yeah.
years.
Many years.
Yeah,
Right.
and suddenly you can see the switch because of intelligent players first of all, and then tactics. You need heavy tactics to break that low block, because Mourinho was not able to do it, and as like Conte was struggling with it, and suddenly Lampard does it. So I'm impressed with Lampard for the Sheffield
Yeah,
United
he's done
games, especially.
exceptional job. वो बहुत सही कर रहा है. And I noticed that you said the switching of plays. मतलब Mount जो like from left flank to the right, it was just amazing. जो balls डाल रहा था वो that was just exceptional. वो बहुत सही था. And again, after I guess Kovacic के बदले आया Jorginho and he started playing in the defensive midfield role, and again खत्म हो गया.
खत्म
He
हो
did those floppy passes, पीछे back passes. उसके बाद उधर भी we were like ठीक है, but we were 4-1 up तभी, and that time he came on. That's good. So that was about.
Also, Thiago Silva can play good DM. I feel. Look at his passing range, fucking bitch. Like he can cross the ball from left to right as a defender. Too good.
Right. वो भी बहुत long balls डाल रहा था. That was also good. And a special credit to our wizard, Hakim Ziyech. And he was so good. That was, I mean, पूरे match में he was just exceptional. So thoughts on Ziyech, guys?
Remember that scene where he absolutely destroyed that Burnley defender with that, Sheffield defender with that piece of skill, like flicking it back and then running. Oh, dude, that was so amazing. Like it was so long that I watched that. I saw that such things with Jorginho actually. It is very pretty shocking. Like he did that 360 against roulette against Leicester City, and also in the Europa League, Champions League games last year. So yeah, it is good to see some skillful players playing out on the pitch, doing some things. Ziyech dude putting that balls on the back post. Chilwell actually, that was a no look shoulder shot. Like I don't know what was that. It was actually in, and the iconic picture from the corner where whether it was against us or whether it was with us, it was the same bloody picture, and I love to see it that even went in. So that is the power
Right.
of Hakim, dude. Yeah, I just love him. So what a start he has got at a
Yeah,
मतलब I guess
with the
1
same
goal and
end
4
as well,
assists.
right? The same end as well, shed and low,
Yeah.
like एकदम like exactly the same
point.
that Ajax won and this one. Just fans नहीं थे, and I wish fans were there, man, to witness the wizard of London. Now you can say.
Not exactly same because Ziyech was the one who scored against us, but this time it was Thiago Silva.
Yeah,
Header के बाद
it's
किया
the
था,
delivery
but
that
again, the free kick was pretty similar. Yes.
it's
So that was about it from the games
even
that we
wanted
have
to see
played.
a smirk. Even wanted to see that smirk with the fans. If the
Yeah.
fans would have been there, dude, that would have been.
Right.
Yeah.
True. वो बहुत सही था. Free kick was amazing, and 1 goal and 4 assists in his I guess 3 games is just exceptional. And I mean, who can do that? मतलब coming into the Premier League, first match में जब वो injure हो गया था, everyone was like, he's not going to cope up with the pace of the Premier League. Injury हो जाएगा, but then he's come out and just proved everyone wrong till now at least. So that's pretty good.